Hello friends. Now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stand for off. We convert into multiplication. We solve square roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first we perform division. Division, as you can see, 7 divided by 7 equals to 1, and according to this step the BODMAS says division must be performed before the multiplication, addition or subtraction. So now the current equation becomes 7 plus 7 multiply 7 minus 1 and multiply by 7. Now step 2. We solve multiplication. Multiplication, as you can see here, 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. So now according to this step, multiplication is the next priority. We resolve the first multiplication from left to right. So now the expression becomes 7 plus 49 minus 1 multiplied by 7. So next we perform multiplication. 1 into 7. Again it is 7. We complete the remaining multiplication operations before moving to addition or subtraction. So now the current equation becomes 7 plus 49 and minus 7. So next we perform addition. First we add the number 7 plus 49 is equal to 56. So now according to this step 4 addition is performed before subtraction in the standard sequence. So now the expression becomes 56 minus 7 and last subtraction. 56 minus 7 is equal to 49. So this is the final step to reach the result. So now conclusion says according to this expression, by strictly adhering to the BODMAS rule we ensures that the multi-operational expressions is simplified logically by prioritizing division and multiplication over addition and subtraction. So the final answer result of this expression is 49, and I hope it is clear to you. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.